Hello friends. Today we are learn capital letter alphabet and number name with color name. So let's start. Orange color. A. A for alligator. Yellow color. B. B for butterfly. Dark green color. C. C for cat. Sky blue color. D. D for dog. Black color. E. E for elephant. Orange color. F. F for fish. Yellow color. G. G for grapes. Dark green color. H. H for hand. Sky blue color. I. I for island. Black color. J. J for joker. Orange color. K. K for kangaroo. Yellow color. L. L for lion. Dark green color. M. M for mango. Sky blue color. N. N for nose. Black color. O. O for onion. Orange color. P. P for panda. Yellow color. Q. Q for queen. Dark green color. R. R for rainbow. Sky blue color. S. S for sunflower. Black color. T. T for tiger. Orange color. U. U for unicorn. Yellow color. V. V for fan. Dark green color. W. W for watermelon. Sky blue color. X. X for X-ray. Black color. Y. Y for yo-yo. Yellow color. Z. Z for zebra. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number draw and paint with color name. Front color 1, dark green color 2, yellow color 3, sky blue color 4, orange color 5, sky blue color 6. Yellow color 7. Dark green color 8. Brown color 9. Dark green color 10. Yellow color 11. Sky blue color 12. Orange color 13. Sky blue color 14. Yellow color 15. Dark green color 16. Brown color 17. Dark green color 18. Yellow color 19. Sky blue color 20. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.